Hi, in this video we'll be showcasing two very popular nasal masks here at RespShop, the DreamWear by Philips Respironics and the ResMed N30i. One thing that makes this mask so popular and unique is its swiveling elbow joint that sits atop the head instead of in front of the face like most traditional masks, which allows the machine's tubing to sit up above your head instead of across your chest. Another unique design of these masks is the hollow frame, which allows for airflow of either the right or left side of the frame, which means regardless of sleeping position, you can always be sure you'll be getting uninterrupted therapy from your machine. And lastly, one thing you'll notice about these masks is that unlike traditional nasal cushions that sit around the nose, these cushions will sit underneath your nostrils, much like a nasal pillow but without the prongs. So whether you choose the N30i by ResMed or the DreamWear by Philips, you can't go wrong with these fan favorites.